CashMagnets. Review: Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. CashMagnets is about passive income. Your customers want it, and we know how to get it. The front end will take your subscribers through 5 CashMagnets that they can use to make money daily. We all know how important passive income is to us. So give your customers that gift with CashMagnets. CashMagnets is our course that personally shows how we make passive income online. It covers funnels, YouTube, blogging, websites and reviews. This is a brand new way to build daily passive income with simple little CashMagnets. Instead of pushing commissions away, this pulls them in with no pressure style of earning affiliate money. You have never seen anything like CashMagnets before. With CashMagnets, you can use easy-to-follow tactics to put together a recurring revenue business. This method is new, fast, and you won't have to spend a dime out of your pocket for traffic. Set up your first CashMagnet and scale up as fast or as big as you want. 30 mins is all you need to create your first CashMagnet. We've had magnets generate us passive income daily for years. Plus, it's easy to do, even if you have no experience before. Rinse and repeat as many times as you would like. The more magnets, the more passive income in your accounts. Auto 1, $37. Done-for-you magnets. This gives people some done-for-you magnets that they can start making money with immediately. No need for guesswork. Auto 2, $197. High-ticket magnets. We show how to land high-ticket sales so that anybody who can make even one sale a week can earn a big income online. Auto 3, $97. Advanced secrets. This shows some of our more advanced strategies that we'll be giving away for only about $100. A massive bargain. Auto 4, $197. Limitless traffic. This allows people to siphon traffic off our sales pages with ad pixels they can put on our high traffic pages. Auto 5, $97. License rights. This allows people to sell CashMagnets as if it's their own product and keep 100% of the money. Review: Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.